Silver futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We are about to approach to negative MACD territory. As we extend out to the 4-hour chart, we remain in slight positive MACD and we're seeing signs of a diverge. We have yet to close above the 150 moving average, this red line at a price of $25.85. With the daily chart, we remain in negative MACD and we're seeing signs of a converge, but we're still below the 200-day moving average, this green line at a price of $25.93. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading SLV, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $21.76. My sell target is at $24.41, and my stop loss is at $21.04. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $25.50. My sell target is at $22.54, and my stop loss is at $26.35. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, silver futures has a 41% chance to climb between 0 to 8%, a 53% chance to fall between 0 to negative 8%, and a 6% chance to fall between negative 16 to negative 25%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.